Yay, you made it to step 2, which means for step 1, you watched the video and you filled in the chart. So now you're ready for the anchor chart. This is where I'm just going to explain a little bit more and give you more information because we're going to dig a little deeper into place values. So there are about 5 different types of forms that you can write a number. So I'm going to take you through those different types of forms. So the first form is the standard form. So standard form is just writing out the number like you would say it. So 149. That is the standard form. So now if we go to the next form, which is the written form. So this is writing out the number in words. So 149, writing it out is the written form. The expanded form of 149 is just expanding the number to see how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in each one. So expanded form is right here. So there is 100 plus 4 tens, which turns out to 40, plus 9 ones. So that is how you would write expanded form. Model form. Model form is where if we were in class, then we would do this hands-on with the blocks. But since we are not in class, you are going to do it digitally on the very next slide. So model form looks like this. The big block is 100, so there is 100. The tiny little 10 sticks, there are 4 10 sticks for 40. And then the little squares, 4 ones. And there's 9 ones. The last form that you can write it out is just like almost like a list. So there is 100, 4 tens, and 9 ones. This should look familiar because this is what you should have done on step 1 if you followed my example. On the very next slide, you are going to do the same thing. So this is what it's going to look like. So I have done it first for you. So here's my written form of my example number. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the camera in the right place. So here's my example problem. 368. I wrote it out 368. My expanded form, 300 plus 60 plus 8. My model form. So I use these and I can drag and drop. So these are my hundreds, so I have 3 hundreds. These are my 10 sticks. So I have 6 10 sticks, and then I have 8 ones. These are my ones. And then I just wrote it out in my tallies chart. 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 8 ones. You are going to do the exact same thing over here in the blue box, but you're going to try to do the number 245. Okay? Good luck. Work hard. Make sure you are doing this correctly, and if not, either write a comment so I can come back and help you, or you can ask somebody for help. Thank you so much, and I will check in on slide number 9. Have a good time.